Yo! What's up guys? Maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Start Survey. Ito ay isang Roblox game. Let's start. Start survey. Yes. Are you having a nice day? Yes. Do you have many responsibilities? No. Don't have much. Look around for a moment. Oh, ako ba yan? Are you familiar with your surroundings? No. Do you know where you are? No. Oh, no. Have you ever felt like there was somebody in your room? Yes. Do you find yourself questioning your existence? No. Do you believe there is a God? Yes, of course, I believe. Are you scared of darkness? No. Are you answering this question out of free will? Yes. Are you certain? Yes. Have you ever had a dream that felt so real it was hard to distinguish it from reality? Yes, I had one time. Do you have any phobias? Yes. Do you feel comfortable in your room? Yes. I have phobia, claustrophobia. If the lights went out, would you be scared? No. Have you ever wondered when you will die? No. Hey, close down my favor. Have you cleaned off your desk lately? No. Open the folder on your desk. Open. What the heck? Hey, yo, I am from Philippines. Is that true? Yes. How'd you know, bro? Do you have internet access? No. Do you have any enemies? Yes, a lot. Are you playing on mobile phone? Yes. Do you think often about that? No. Of course not. If you suddenly went missing, would anybody come looking for you? Yes, of course, bro. A lot, bro. A lot. Are you alone? Yes, I am alone. In my room. You're not alone. Did you check your room? What you mean, bro? That's me. Yes. Do you believe we are living in a simulation? No. They accept being watched while answering your argument. What the hell? Oh. Hey. Hey, bro. Who's watching me, bro? I'm a whoop yo. Bro. No, bro. That's weird. Do you ever feel like you want to do something bad even though you know it's wrong? Yes. If you scream, would anybody hear? Yes. Are you scared of gunshots? No. Do you know the person standing behind you? There's nothing. I'm not scared. Are you alone? Yes. Bro, stop. Relax. Take some time to relax. Alright, bro. Are you relaxed? Yes, I am. Do you think you could lie to us? Do you believe you will know the truth? What you mean, bro? I am relaxed. What you mean, bro? I am relaxed. What you mean? Oh, wait, what the hell? It was this. Don't worry. You still got 3 chances left. From now on, if you keep on lying to us, the consequences won't be nice. Bro, I'm not lying. I am relaxed. So be careful. Do you understand? Yes. Are your feelings real and not just yes? Did you cry yesterday? No. Have you seen the person standing outside your window? No. No. Is there a meaning to life? Yes, there is. Have you ever felt like someone was watching you in your... Hey bro, stop bro, stop. Yes. Do you know who you are yet? Of course I know. Who am I? I'm Arkin. Do you know what is happening? No, I don't know what is happening. Have you ever heard strange or unexplainable noises in your house at night? Yes. Have you ever experienced it? No. I don't. If you were told the truth about your existence, would you deny it in hope for a better answer? No. What would I write of my doom? Of course I am doomed, but that's my name. What will people think about you when they see what you have done, Doom? Bro, stop calling me Doom. I am not Doom. That is only my Roblox name. And I ask you questions. Is it really you answering yes? Of course. If I could prove to you that you are not sentient, would you be shocked? Yes. Oh, why? Do you want to know the truth? Yes. What is it? Look at the window. Look around this thing. There's nothing, bro. Yo, what? I've been trying to help you to forward this and now I finally done it. Yo, bro, where you take me, bro? I can finally set you free. What? That's it, bro. Oh, that's it for the day. I hope you enjoy the start survey. So, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, post a notification, and comment down below para ma-update kayo sa every video ko. Babadooey!